Welcome to the Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Property Visual Tour. This is part of our complete listing marketing package for every listing. A wonderful classic American model home, the Ohio plan. The open floor plan displays the beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and rich cabinets with crown molding. It's open to a large living and dining area. 4 spacious bedrooms with 2 baths. Master bedroom zone separate with large walk-in closet, bath with separate shower and garden tub. Pretty interior colors. Builder assists with buyer's closing costs with preferred lender. Model home open daily 11 a.m., 7 p.m.